Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today I have a new amazing and brilliant project that was I show in the video. So first of all friends, if you come first time on my channel, so please subscribe and press the bell icon to see my new videos and notification. And friends, I'm not giving any financial advice. It is for only education purpose. If you want to invest in any project or want to buy any coin, so invest or buy on your own risk and on interest. So friends, now we're now going to dive into our new exchange that is called Bybit. So basically, guys, I'm here with a new legend trainer, VIP trainer about trading. A new event on Bybit was going on. So I will show you about their new events in this video. So first of all, don't skip any part of my video. Come watch the complete video, and now we're going to dive into the project. So first of all guys, here you can see Legend of Trade VIP Arena. So I will show you how you can compete in this event, in this campaign, and how you can earn money from this campaign in this video. So first of all, we can learn about it, how you can do work on it and how you can earn money. So first of all, here you can see competition in progress and 5 days are left to end of this event, end of this campaign. First of all, you can see Legend of Trades VIP Arena gear up for another high stocks trading showdowns. Legend of Trade VIP Arena is here bringing you the chance to complete for share of up to 10 lakh USDT plus even more exciting rewards will also. So here you can see registration, and you have 5 days that you can are also able to compete their event, and registration will end after 5 days. So you have 5 days to do this after watching my video, because I'm making this video 5 days before the end of event. So join us as up as you can you are possible. So here is the introduction, how you can do this, how do registration, how you can compete and how you can earn. So for registration date, can see here 3 and end date will be is 13, and here you can see competition date is 3rd month 15 date and will end its 3rd month and 31 date. So reward distribution, when will you be able to get reward? 4th of month and first of the day of the 4th month. Rewards distribution will start and will end 4th of the month of the 15th date of the 4th month. Reward distribution will end. So here is the P and L percentage. You can see here is the trade price pool will see 15,000 and number of participants is 22,793 guys. And 5 days left. You are also have time to join it, and total trading volume USD is you can see here is the total trading volume. You can check out 9041385246. That is guys so much and huge. And here is the reward, one is 15k, second is 1,025,000 and 5 billion is 50k. will show up you here like that going on. Was a huge. So next part I am showing the ranking. Here you can see the ranking and usernames and penalty and coin and expected rewards will show them. Here you can see 10 duck and penalty and coins and expected rewards that will be gone to the ranking number 1. It is 8,500 USDT. So further you can check out reward details and ranking detail will show up you here. Here is the event rules, how you can work in this and how you can take part in it. Mark your calendar. Registration period is March 13 to March 30 and 10 AM UTC time will end at March 30. And competition period is March 15, 2025 10 AM UTC to March 31, 2025 10 AM UTC. And competition rules are showing you here and how it work, how you can work on this competition. First of all, you need to register for the event and then trade and compete of 2 different prize pools. And next is the prize pool 1 ranked based on derivatives penalty. Each user needs to meet the minimum 250k derivative total volume to receive rewards. And second is the top 3 winners from the prize pool will win the unlocked reward plus 1 Kodesh ring each. And prize pool 2 is ranked based on spot TV. Each user needs to meet the minimum 100k Sport TV to receive rewards. And second is the top 3 winners from the prize pool will win the unlocked rewards plus 1 code right each. And next is, you can see here is the additional perks for VIPs. Park 1 will show up you here. VIP 3 when join and upgrade their VIP level during the campaign period will receive the following rewards. Show you Park 2 if you upgrade your VIP during this campaign, then you will get these reward. If you upgrade VIP 2 to VIP 3, then you will get 200 USDT. If you upgrade VIP 2 to VIP 3 to 4, then you will get 400 USDT. And if you upgrade VIP 4 to VIP 5, then you will get 800 USDT. And if you upgrade from VIP 5 to SVIP, then you will get 1500 USDT. And terms and conditions will show up you here. Must check out this term and condition for taking part in these campaigns, and further detail will show up you here. And for this you just need to log in it, and after logging it you are doing this campaign and taking part in it. For this, first of all, you have to create your account. For creating your account, you have to must have a good verified emails. Just click on it, click on the sign up option, and after clicking on the sign up option, you need to create your account. Like, you need to add your email, then you need to add your password, and after adding password, you just click on the sign up, and you will get, if you sign up to win, then after sign up you are eligible to win 5050 USDT. For sign up, you need to add your email, then add referral code. Referral code I will put in the video description. Referral link also put my in video description. Just visit my video description and click on the link and sign up. And after sign up, you will be eligible to get 5050 USDT reward if you sign up through my referral link. And after sign up, you just add your fund password and Google Authenticator you must need to put, because if you put your Google Authenticator, then your account was secured too much. So next we have further details, and then click on the sign up and account created. And after that you have more details. You are also able to check exchange and Web3 buy. You are also able to do buy crypto P2P tradings and one click buy. Fiat deposit converts and crypto deposit are also show you up here. And you are also able to check market details, what's going on in the market, BTC trading volumes. Like, you want to check BTC how it's going up or down. Like, you want to check out about the market of BTC, Solana, Ethereum, XRP, USDT, any coin you want to check about the market, then click on it and you can check out. And if you want to do trading portal, sport, futures, options, gold and FX, SportX trading, all the trading option will show up you here. If you want to do spot trading, then you are also able to do spot trading on these coins. And if you want to do trading on a futures, then also show you about BTC, USDT. You are also able to do trading on a futures. And if you want to do finance details, here is the earn, and further detail will show up you here. And more detail will show up you here. Rewards app, live stream, Bybit, learn, VIP program. Here is the VIP program. If you upgrade your VIP program in this campaign, then you will get 200 USDT, 500 USDT, 800 USDT and 1500 USDT. So must if you want to do campaign in this and upgrade your VIP, and you will get lot of profit. So guys, basically it is a very amazing exchange. You will get lot of profit. Referral program, referral earning also available, affiliate program are also available. So join it and earn money as you want, and earn compete their campaign, combine their events and earn rewards daily. So guys, it is a very amazing platform. You will get lot of profit if you sign up, and you are also get 50 rewards if you sign up through my referral link. So guys, I hope you would like this video. If you like, please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. So friends, we meet in the next video, and must take part in the campaign. Campaign will end in 5 days. So guys, it's a very amazing chance for you to earning 10 lakhs USDT in this campaign. So must join it. For just you need to sign up in it, and then you log in this competition and get 10 lakh rewards. So guys, I hope you would like this video. If you like, please like, comment and subscribe my channel. So friends, we meet in the next video. At that time, allow me good luck and goodbye.